I want to make video on hijab. There's this one thing that I want to get off my chest. I'm not going to be able to talk about it in detail, but I want to mention it because it's been eating away at me for a while now. When I was younger, I was really ashamed of my hijab. I felt like it was a burden, and I didn't want to wear it. But as I got older, I realized that my hijab is not just a piece of cloth. It's a symbol of my identity. It's a part of me, and I'm proud to wear it. But there's still this one thing that bothers me. When people see my hijab, they think that I'm oppressed. They think that I'm being forced to wear it. But the truth is, I choose to wear it. I choose to wear it because I want to. If only people could see how beautiful and happy I am in my hijab. If only they could see how it makes me feel like I'm on top of the world. I wish someone had told me this when I was younger. Maybe I wouldn't have struggled so much with wearing it. But I'm glad that now I can say that I'm a hijabi, and I love it.